At the beginning of the season, I grew some crops that I've never grown before. I like to do that every year. One of the crops that I grew is this one right here. Dosakai, I believe is how it's pronounced. I'm almost definitely not pronouncing that right, so I'll just put the annotation on the screen. But it's a gourd, and it's edible. And I was given this because someone found it growing in the wild, and it might be a good candidate for permaculture, and I'm here to report the results of that experiment, and happy to report that, yeah, it seems to be excellent for permaculture. I have, other than sprouting this myself in a pot, I have planted it in the ground and done pretty much no management, and it has been able to produce fruit and seeds in that season with no management at all. No extra water, nothing at all. No weeding out. You can see the grass all growing in here to see if it's a good candidate for permaculture in the cross timbers of Texas. So if you have clay, rocky soil or an arid region, this plant, Dosakai, would be an excellent candidate, I think. So I'm always happy when an experiment actually works. Let's see if we get the little vines in there. Oh, it's probably good to get the flower as well. Like any squash or gourd, it looks about the same, a little smaller. You can see the size of the leaves as well to help identify it. Little gourds. They turn yellow whenever the seeds are starting to get ready. And from what I can tell, you need to pick them if you want them for edibility when they're a little bit on the green side. I've got a couple of examples on the green side here.